Hey Royal Fam, all hail Kerry here, and I'm back with another crochet tutorial. Now before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because everyone who does is royalty. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bells so you won't miss out on any future content that I come out with. Now, you're gonna see me with my struggle braids. I just washed my hair and I didn't want to blow dry it, so that's why it looks like this, and that's why I was struggling to braid it. So please disregard my struggle braids. I just was so lazy and I was in a rush. Also, don't forget to moisturize your scalp because that is a very, very important step to do. As you can see, I'm here using my wild hair growth oil, and you guys can moisturize your scalp with anything, but that's just something I like to moisturize my scalp with. But yeah. Now, the hair that I'm using in this video is from Expressions. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and each pack was, I believe, around $6. The brand is called Expressions, and it is Bohemian braid or Bohemian wave, and I use a total of 6 packs. So I thought my camera was angled in a certain way so that way you guys can see what's going on down below on my lap. You just like see like foam coming up in my hand. So that's my mousse that I'm using on this hair. You don't really have to use products on your hair, but I chose to do so. I use the Afro-G mousse, and again I will link that down in the description box below so that way you guys can purchase this too and use it. It smells so good and I love to use it on my hair. So yes, I'm using that, and I'm also gonna be cutting my hair and going in a diagonal motion and trying to frame my face by cutting my hair. And this is the final results. Now, I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you once again for watching my video. I hope you guys learned something or are interested in buying this hair as well. I'll leave everything down in the description box on where you can find these items. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.